Let's discuss the first concept in the OOPS is a class. A class is a blueprint or template that defines the characteristics and behavior of objects. Class encapsulates data and methods that operate on that object. For example, in real time also, if you want to construct a home, so you will approach an engineer, civil engineer for the blueprint, correct? So that template is called a class. Let's see one example. Okay, so now we have a car class. Okay, car class has a attributes like color, model. Okay, now we have a methods like start, stop and accelerate. These are the methods of a class. Class can be created using the keyword called class. It's a logical entity, and when the class is created, memory will not be allocated. Okay, so let's see one example how we can create the class. So here you can see the class. So we have created the class with a class keyword. Okay, class name and open flower bracket attributes. Okay, then methods we have to closed with parenthesis, open parenthesis, closed parenthesis, semicolon and close the case with uh, closed flower bracket. Okay, so for example, if you consider a core class has a attributes called color and model. Okay, it has a methods like start and stop. Object is nothing but it's an instance of a class. An object will be created using the new keyword. Okay, it represents specific entity that has its own unique state and behavior. As I said earlier, a class is a blueprint, right? In the same way, after constructing the home, it's called a real entity. So that is called an object. Okay, for example, if you consider as core, then my core is an object that using the my core object you can access the attributes and methods of a class core. Let's see how to create an object. Okay, here I have a class called car. Car class has two attributes called color, model and one method as start. Okay, now the program will start from public static void main. Okay, now I am going to create an object called my car. Okay, using the my car object I can access any of the attribute or methods that are defined in the car class. Now here if you see, I have used the class name as a car and object name as my car equal to new keyword and car constructor. Okay, car class constructor. Now my car object, using the my car object, I am calling the start method which is defined in that class car. In this way we can create an object. We can create n number of objects. Okay, when the object is created, then memory will be allocated.